Welcome back to JSX Deep Dive. Let's explore how to create reusable custom components in JSX.Design. I have created a header element on this canvas to turn it into a custom component. Just right-click on it and select Add to Components. Let's give it a name, and it will open in a new editor where you can make further customizations. When you return to the main canvas, you'll find your component under the Add Items tab. You can now use it anywhere in your project as many times as you want. Let's say you want to make changes later, just right-click on the component to edit it. Once done, all changes will automatically reflect across the entire project. Now let's export this canvas to Visual Studio Code. After importing, you'll see that the custom component is neatly organized as a separate file. You can import it into other pages with ease. With custom components, you can do powerful things like array mapping, passing props, or even ejecting a component to get complete control over the code. The best part of ejecting a component is that you will get the full control and can still edit the component visually in JSX.Design. But we'll dive deeper into these advanced features in another video. Check the link in the description for more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more ways to speed up your React development with JSX Design. See you in the next video.